Our awardee can be described as an employee who advocates environmental stewardship. This is manifested through his participation as documenter of ESWM, that's our Solid Waste Management Program, which we are now piloting. He represented the center in various study tours, showcasing our environmental practices, such that of the Wrigley Philippines Study Tour. As an associate director, he systematically manages his team and even provided time to focus on other organizational projects assigned to him, for which we have received citations, such as ICO certification, the GKK, Zero Basura, the Don Emilio Abelio Energy Efficiency Awards, and the Asian CSR Awards. As a leader, he is good in developing others. Our awardee for the associate director level is from the movie Braveheart. Let us call on Mr. Norman Morte.
Excuse lang, sir. Sir.
Yeah. Kaya pala...
slides mo?
Kaya pala naghahanap ng picture may angle. Actually, hindi ako prepared. Para katulad ni Chris, sabog-sabog din kaya kailangan ma-organize ko yung course. So, nandito na lahat yun. Kaya ka. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the winners. When I first received the Exemplary Performance Award 3 years ago in this very same venue, I was kind of hoping and praying na sana it would not be the last. The feelings of joy and fulfillment then were simply overwhelming. Overwhelming. God answered my prayers and blessed me with yet another one for year 2010. Firstly, I thank God for this blessing and I offer all the glory to Him. My family and I have gone through a lot these past years. We had our share of problems and adversities. But in every step of the way, we never lost hope and God was always on our side. I have become a strong believer of the saying that when God closes a door, He opens a window. This award means so much to me as this would be one of the many windows God has opened for us. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Ma'am Agnes and Ma'am Vibs for continuously recognizing all my efforts and contributions to the center. I personally would like to thank Ma'am Agnes for giving me the confidence to handle all the challenging tasks and workloads. Her drive for excellence, her work ethics and discipline, worth emulating, continue to inspire and motivate me to improve and do better. Ma'am, as an expression of my gratitude, given the chance, I commit to bring honor by continuously winning awards and recognitions for MNLDC. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am. My facilities management officers, Arnel, Ricky, Al, my coordinator, Jocelyn, and the rest of FMD's contractors were all part and in one way or another contributed to this achievement. Thank you, my FMD family, for all the patience, hard work, and perseverance. To my fellow ASOCs, thank you for all the support and the encouraging words. Kay Mamu, salamat for being there through all the ups and downs. I read from one of the emails the practice of placing something on your office table to always remind you on what or who you're working hard for. Like most of you, I have pictures of my family, my wife, and my 2 boys. They remain to be my inspiration and my strength to perform and go further. At times, when the stress and pressure is mounting and when it's just too much, it would only take a stare. a glance at these photos for me to tell myself, kaya mo yan, Norman, para sa kanila lahat yan. And then everything will be okay. To Kat, Joshua, and Vince, thank you for the love, care, and understanding. Lastly, aside from my prayer warriors, my mama and my sisters, I would like to acknowledge the invaluable intercessions of my late father. My papa died when I was 14. My mama keeps telling me na namana ko yung dedication sa work from my papa. I never got the chance to show that I could be like him and equal or surpass what he has accomplished in Meralco when he was still alive. Pero wherever he is right now, I know he's very proud of his only son. Thank you, Papa, in advance, Happy Father's Day. To end, I came across the success quote from no less than the greatest NBA basketball star, Michael Jordan. Hindi ko ina-expect na yun pala yung pinalabas nila kanina. And I want to share it with you. And siguro kay LeBron na probably today still recovering from the loss yesterday. I quote, I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. With this, thank you and good morning.
Nakakaiyak naman. As in, very touching siya.
Kaya ayong mag